welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 11th of February 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know as we head into a new week? We covered this in a lot of detail on our week ahead commodity report, where the anticipation would be over the course of this week that gold would continue to get that bid off the back of the escalation with the coronavirus at the moment and the narratives that we're seeing in the market as a result. Friday's non-farm payroll data was a great example of that. We saw the dollar index break out to 4-month highs. The S&P 500 last week broke out to all-time highs, yet gold was still relatively unmoved and managed to stage a recovery again over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, breaking out towards the weekly highs. And of course, that gave us a great opportunity during the course of the week to pick up positions at lower prices, banking 270 points before the close on Friday. So essentially what we're expecting again this week is that counter flow. So this is where we do tend to see gold will spike on the Sunday through to Monday open. Often we start to consolidate on Monday, and then the Tuesday we get this dip lower, as we've seen today, again with gold breaking down to $1,565 per ounce before getting a bit of a bid here again. The expectation is that we could again see a rally from Wednesday through to Friday. Gold is breaking out in a number of different currencies at the moment. It's broken out to all-time highs against the euro and also the New Zealand dollar in the last 24 hours. You want to watch out for these correlations. Also, you want to keep an eye on the additional correlations such as silver and also platinum. So platinum currently today is up over 1%. Silver is a bit flat on the day, but we can see gold is starting to get a little bit of a bid at the moment. The anticipation again is that we could see what we've seen really over the last 3 weeks, which is for gold to spike off the Sunday open, pull back over Monday and Tuesday, forming the lows, which tricks a lot of technical traders. So many technical traders, once they start to see that sell off with gold, they start entering their sell short positions. They panic sell out of their long positions, then only again to see that breakout over Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Many of you last week, in fact, managed to catch positions on gold last week around that $1,550 per ounce handle. So well done to everybody who managed to catch that. It's been a great move over the last few days. As I mentioned, you also need to keep a very close eye on platinum, silver. Palladium was a fantastic mover last week, banking us over 1,000 points. But over this week, I want to keep a very close eye on, of course, the escalation with the coronavirus. We've got the World Health Organization who've gone over to China, who are going to be providing more assessments on that. At the moment, we're seeing a daily conference from the World Health Organization, and you want to keep a very close eye on that. This is where fundamentals, geopolitical news is very important to your trading. You do not want to be relying on just technical analysis alone for trading the precious metals. You need to be aware of the cycles, the seasonality, the flow of the market, what the retail traders are doing versus the hedge funds and money managers at the moment as well. And of course, look at the correlations that we're seeing between platinum and silver right now too. So ultimately, over the course of this week, the plan is that we're looking for this counter flow again at the start of the week. We've dipped lower. So far, gold has dipped down to $1,565 per ounce. This week, we want to see if we will start to get a bid at these levels. We've still got positions on that we've executed last week. Our lowest position at $1,551 per ounce. And I'm looking then for a rotation back towards the swing highs here between now and the end of the week. So I'm looking for a breakout back towards the swing highs between now and the end of the week for gold. So with that of course has been Gold Asset of the Day, and I wish you good trading.